Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mani using Krival nail dips. And before we go ahead and jump into the mani, I just wanted to show you how gorgeous this package was. The attention to detail and all the branding, I'm here for it. So this nail file has their logo on it, and it is also a washable file. And then the next thing in here is lint-free wipes, which you can never have enough lint-free wipes. And then the next thing is orange cuticle sticks, and then these really cool swatch sticks, and the ribbon even has the company's name on it, which I love that so much. And then the moment I've been waiting for is to unwrap the liquids. So we're going to be doing a gel method for this mani. So I've been dying to open this up. I just wanted to show you how well packaged these bottles were upon receiving them. So this is the gel top coat, and I really like the bottles. So the first one here is the top coat, and the bottles are glass and they're very sturdy and they have little odor to them. I didn't notice anything when I was using them. And then the gel base, I like how the gel base also has a different colored brush. I don't know if that's intentional or not, but I do like that, and I do really like those clear brushes. So the moment you've all been waiting for are all the colors. So I'm going to let you watch all the colors here, and I'll pop back in a moment. Aren't these colors gorgeous? And I love how they complement each other really well. So these two colors here are what we're going to be using for the mani today. They are from the Cleopatra collection. We're also going to be doing the gel method. And there also are two other colors that I did not show you today. I'm saving those for October for my Halloween series that I'll be having. It's going to start October 1st through October 13th. It's going to be a 13 days of Halloween manis. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani, and I'll pop back in a little bit. Alright, so we're just finishing up this mani here, and how pretty are these two colors together? I think they are perfect together. So I really liked how these powders applied. They applied really pigmented and thin, and the glitters, I know they look really intimidating, but they applied really flat and I really liked them. I had no problems when I was filing and buffing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more Krival manis. Subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!